Basics of worksheet. As it has been discussed that the data entered in a cell can take variety of forms, but the most common of these are labels, simple text, values, numbers, formulas. Labels are used to identify a value or a series of values. Labels are helpful in making the worksheet meaningful. It is important to note that formulas can be applied only on values. These cannot be applied on labels. Values are just numbers that you enter in different cells of a worksheet. These can be whole numbers, decimals, negative numbers, currency, and other types of values, including scientific notations. Working with formulas is the most powerful feature of a spreadsheet. Formula can be calculated on the basis of values or formulas in other cells. Formulas can involve basic arithmetic operators. More complex formulas can even evaluate logical conditions and perform certain calculations on the basis of the result of the evaluation. Conditions may evaluate to true or false. Cell reference and range. A cell reference tells formula to look up the contents of the referenced cell. This increases the flexibility of the formula. The change in the content of the referenced cell is quickly reflected to the result of the formula being calculated on the basis of this cell. The cell is referred to by its address, such as G8, AC5 and Y10, etc. There, if you want to add values in cells G8 and Y10, your formula might look like is equal to G8 plus Y10. If your formula involves contiguous cells, you can refer to all the cells address of the first cell, address of the last cell. For example, the cells D3, E3, F3, G3 can be referred to as D3, G3. Relative and absolute referencing. Calling cells by just their addresses, such as A1, is called relative referencing. When a formula contains relative referencing and it is copied from one cell to another, the spreadsheet does not create an exact copy of the formula. It will change cell addresses relative to the row and column they are moved to. For example, if a simple addition formula in a cell C1 is equal to A1 plus B1 is copied to cell C2, the formula would change to is equal to A2 plus B2 to reflect the new is copied to cell C2. The formula would change to is equal to A2 plus B2 to reflect the new row. To prevent this change, cells must be called by absolute referencing, and this is accomplished by placing dollar signs within the cell addresses in the formula. Continuing the previous example, the formula in cell C1 would read AS1 plus BS1 if the value of cell C2 should be the sum of cells A1 and B1. Both the column and row of both cells are absolute and will not change when copied. Named ranges. Range names are names that you define to represent a cell or cell range on a worksheet. These range names can further be used in formulas instead of cell addresses or ranges. They also make it easier to use, maintain and understand the formulas in the worksheet. The formula C10 multiply 100 C8 calculate the percentage of marks after giving names to cells. This can be expressed as marks obtained 100 total marks. From the menu bar, dialog box will appear. Okay.